Okay, questions, observations, specific plants that you'd like to talk about propagating.
What about the hardy hibiscus?
Hardy hibiscus. Okay, if you go down to the base of the plant, okay, you're going to see that there's all these little buds, potential shoots coming off. Now, if you nip off a potential shoot at this time of the year, it's just going to croak, right? But in the spring, when it starts to grow, wait until the first flush of growth is done, then nip it off. Put it in rooting hormone, because they root pretty easily, but there's a better way, okay? It's a much better way. It's called stooling, and it's the old-fashioned way that they used to propagate things back before they had a lot of greenhouses and stuff. You bury the plant under about this much really tasty topsoil. Compost is ideal, okay? You can wound it if you want to. Take a knife, cut in about, you want to go through the bark down to the wood, but not too deep into the wood, okay? Come up an inch, go a quarter of the way around, wound it again, okay? Up another inch, and then do another wound on, so you're going to wound the four sides of the shoot. Not real big wounds, because you don't want to girdle it, okay? Then you bury it in compost and come back about 3 months later and uncover it, and you'll find just a bunch of roots growing off of that. Just take pruning shears, go down underneath the roots, snip that bad boy off, and put it immediately into another, either a pot, water it really, really well, lots of compost, or you plant it in the ground in good soil and keep it very well watered. Hibiscus, the hardy hibiscus are actually marsh plants, mallows. They look like hibiscus, but they're really not, and that's good because hibiscus are quite fussy.
Mine are mallows.
Yeah, the mallows are really fabulous. The other thing you can do is if you watch it, it'll form seeds, big seeds, okay? You might need to put a bag over it to keep birds from taking the seeds off. They grow easily from seed. You don't need to do much with the seed. You just take the seed off. You can put it in the refrigerator if you want to over winter, but put it into a pot with some good compost in the spring and it will grow. Will not be true to type. You'll have different types. Now, if yours is a red leaf type, very rarely will you get a red leaf seedling. The red leaf types are just gorgeous. The Lord Baltimore's and that.
Yeah.
They have a red leaf type with a big yellow flower right now that's just a knockout. And they have a green leaf type with a big red flower that I just drool over. I don't have any, and the reason being that deer like them more than I do.
Yeah.
And they will gnaw them down to a little stub and then just keep on gnawing on them. It's very frustrating. Deer like to eat stuff.
They eat mine. Do they eat yours?